Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for the vintage with Ganamuska?
Una notice, see what thing I do. I wait, make them clear the stage first. I want make una know say another part of waiting happen on top of this stage. I don't see tomorrow. Get some, they go flog Chris, come on for some people's head. No, I'm not joking. These people don't know. They don't know anything that do me where I come from. But Nigeria must work. Whether we like it or not, Nigeria must work. And this is what I do. I don't care. And they conduct the election before the main election. Because me too, I want to know where everybody stand. So right now, as we're there, I don't do one for Houston. I don't do them for Canada. I don't do them everywhere I go. So, but I never do Abuja. Maybe we'll just try Abuja. Maybe we'll know where Abuja people stand. So now, as you are here, if you strongly believe from your mind, your heart, body, and soul, if you are very, very articulate, make some noise. Now, if you are so articulate, go ahead, take a step further. Stand up on your articulation. Let's see you. Stand up. Let's see all the articulate. Stand up. Now, election they go on, so election I be this so. We want to know who go get the vote to Abuja now. Stand up if you articulate. Okay. May we come out to that one. Now, if you know you are here in Abuja, you know that you are a Milokon. Stand up on your Emilokon. Stand up. Be proud. Stand up on your Emilokon. Stand up. Yes, stand up. I see. Iwalokon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 Emilokon. Was still counting. Emilokon. Okay, good. Now, if you're here and you know that you are obedient, can you stand up? So you guys are obedient. Wow. Obi shikolobi. Hey. Don't put me in trouble. Did I ask you to play kekereke? What's wrong with you? I only conducted a free and fair election. I am not INEC. My name is AY. You say? Oh, na Igbo people full here. Okay, so it's a tribal thing. So the other Nigerians are they mad. Igbo people na full here. Okay. All right. Now, wow. You say, na Igbo man get the show. Okay, another person say, na Igbo man get the show. Now, wow. Okay. Even me, self, I don't know. Who should I be? Igbo, I be Yoruba, I be. Who should I be that time? Okay, I be half caste. Now, Oyibo, let's see which one Oyibo be. This Oyibo, no, really. Oyibo, you are not Oyibo. You are what? They must hear you. You are what?
Afribo. Yes, the difference between an Oyibo and Afribo. Oyibo is a white guy who arrives at, like me, at Lagos airport, and he don't know anything. Okay. The Afribo is a white man like this, like me, for decades here, and he know the trick of the Nigerian.
Now, wow, if you kidnap this one, now you go pay ransom. Now, wow, Afribo. Now, wow, which of these women capture you to make you become Afribo? Which of them free you, your bobo? Any of them. Oh, you are for everybody. Ah, this one are real Afribo. Afribo. He said any of them. Now oh you now oh you it's you not be better you. I don't look at. Be like all those Lebanese reject. Yeah. Very solid. I just said, my people, that, you are you're a good man. Yeah. You're a very good man. Yeah.
Let's go. Oh. Some Ajebotas not going to understand this picture. That year, you go watch TV for Percy hours. And for that to give you this small window, may you peep. Now be say you don't have the fresh water. Oh. Hello. Now Percy hours that they watch TV, so all of them go there. Then if they beg you something, you no agree. If you the peep, you go call you, come out there. When I beg you shin, you give me. Come on. When I go reach 20. And my brother and I be say you really suffer. 20. How many day for on the street? Let's go. Give them another one. If you understand this picture, I know your background. You are from a polygamous home. If you understand, you get your plate. Now you the year on the man enter the line. Ejiro oya follow. Akpobo man oya there. Take care, follow. As you take senior, now you take the choose. Let's go. Change them again. Let's go sharply. How many of you take this one? This sweet that year. You go lick and. You see this small stick where me? You go forget say na stick, say not be sweet. You go lick and something you call the easy until they do toothpick. Let's go. Sharply. How many of you blow this one? When you blow, you're going to find the ball. Hey, let's go. I just want to take one amount and remember. You remember this one? Now this one, I tell us, say, spirit, they enter. Oh, but one day my sister just wake me, say the baby, they blink eye. I say, from where? Oh, but now the last day when we see her for us, my mom throw it away. Let's go. Drop her. How many of you league bottom it? Oh, we missed this one. Let's go sharply. This was before they come. Now your bleaching cream tasted. Now they don't package and they say not tuning. But you see this cream? Now your bleaching cream. Taste that. Let's go. Tura. Oh! Ewa, Shama, bros. Now wow. If like say you buy Tura, give your babe that yo. Guy! How many of you remember Tony Montana? You see this powder where get bath finish for evening, go call